city type is text. Okay, whenever suppose that your data extension is already created. Okay,
Mm.
and even you want to add some any other fields. Okay,
Mm.
we can't make nullable. Okay,
Okay. But
we
if you
can't
save
make
all,
not nullable. Okay, we can't make not nullable. We should make the nullable value. Okay,
why
value should be empty.
value should be empty?
Yeah, field should be empty because whenever you are creating the city types, adding the city, okay,
Mm.
then you are adding. You can't make null. You can't make not nullable because see, that is the records are there. Okay, whatever the
Mm.
records we have in existing data extension,
Mm.
and I'm creating the amount. Amount should be the amount should be there. Okay, amount clicking. I'm here the amount nullable value. Okay,
Okay.
not nullable value. If it's not nullable, okay, data should be there. But now we don't have the any data in the amount field. Okay, we have
Yeah.
the recently added. That's why we need to add the this one. We need to check that nullable value. Nullable yes. Nullable should be there. Okay.
And we need to give default value also.
See, whenever you are not selecting the nullable yes, then you need to give the default value.
Uh,
See, it saves city1. Again, I'm going to create the another one.
mm.
Like any field we can add country. Okay, I'm
Mm.
going to add the country. I'm not selecting anything here.
Just
Okay,
save it, no? Once save it, no?
yeah,
Save.
once you will save, it's not going to save. See,
Yeah, yeah. See.
nullable.
No.
See, non-nullable field without a default value we cannot add it to the data extension because this field should contain the default value.
Okay.
Suppose I'm adding here India default value.
Mm.
Okay, I'm going to save.
I I think in data extension it will be
Yeah,
India only, I guess. No,
wait.
not created.
Country India, it's
Mm.
created. I need to refresh once. See,
See, it is coming India, India, India. You
yeah,
saw?
yeah, because we have the put it the default value. If you wanted to edit that one, because previously there was no any value,
Yeah.
and after first you created the data extension, again you are going to create the fields. You can't make not nullable that fields. That's why it's asking for the default value. Whatever the default value you are putting, it's taking that one.
Yeah. Then how to overcome this situation then? Everybody's country will not be India now.
No, we can update na. We can update that fields. Particular fields we can update. Suppose
Means
that,
through
see,
import process.
yeah, through import process. Suppose I'm going to export that one. I'm going to download that same CSV format. India, if you wanted to edit that field, okay.
Means, is there any specific reason for being like that, or it's by default the marketing cloud's behavior is like that?
What behavior? Like you're asking for the default value.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
Because why it's we need to give. Actually, there is lots of use and different types of the use of this data extension. Once you'll see the relationship and automation, na, we will
Mm.
you will observe easily. Because once I'll start the explaining, it will take more times, and you need to aware about the relationship, automation, all these things. Once you let start the automation and SQL query, you will aware about all these things,
Okay,
how
okay.
it's behaving like that, why we need to require the default value, why we
Mm.
need to add these types. Once you'll start the real time, that time you will get all these things. See, it's updated. India,
Okay.
Australia, India, Canada. Why we are going to use the default value? Because suppose that we have the uh, millions of the subscribers are there, or suppose
Mm.
that 5,000 subscriber in the data extension. Okay,
Mm.
that data extension, the till city they have. Okay, and
Mm.
there is one field, gender field is there, male
Mm.
or female. Okay, male, female, or otherwise you can say like first name, before first name there is salutation is there, Mr. or Mrs. Okay,
Mm.
in that campaign we are not using Mr. or Mrs. Okay,
Yeah.
then what we can do, we can create the some new fields for the Mr. and Mrs. salutation fields. It's
Mm.
matching for the gender male or female.
Mm.
Okay, otherwise we can create the some default value,
Mm.
sorry a madam slash sorry a madam. Okay,
Mm.
default value, and apart from then we can put the gender male or female. Suppose
Mhm.
after 5,000 data I'm going to update that data, then I'm going to specify whatever the subscriber have the gender.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you come up once again? I just got.
Yeah, suppose that in data extension there is 2000 subscriber. Okay,
Okay.
2000 subscriber have the first name, last name, email, all these things are there. Okay,
Yes.
and after some time we are going to store their country name. Okay, country name and city and location, anything. Suppose
Okay.
I'm adding here the country fields. Okay,
Mm.
country fields, I'm going to specify once you create the email templates. In
Mm.
email templates we are going to personalize for different subscriber will get the different country name. Okay,
Yeah.
and here suppose that this campaign and the data is only for the India or
Okay.
Asia. Suppose that
Mm.
it Asia,
Mm.
Asia country has
Mm.
India is there, Malaysia is there, China is there. Okay,
Okay.
and in our data extension previously this country fields was not there. Okay,
Okay.
only till city it was there. Okay,
Mm.
then after some time, after 2000 data, I'm
Mm.
going to add more 3000 data. In
Okay.
for adding 3000 data we need to add the country. Okay,
Mm.
we have the country India, whatever the country we have for the 3000 data, and
Mm.
previously 2000 data doesn't have any country name. So what
Yeah.
I can put here, I can put the default value Asia. Okay,
Mm.
because this campaign for the Asia,
Mm.
and apart from that whatever the country we will update for
Mm.
3000 data, it's
Mm.
going to show there.
Okay. For 2000 people, it will show Asia as country.
Yeah, Asia.
Asia, because they don't have any.
Yeah, because that is the old data. Okay, if you wanted to modify that data, we can modify. We will see the SQL query, how to modify, how to update that, and how
Yeah.
to
But
segment
one
that
test
data.
case we can do, like we can, if needed, we can update that 2000 plus 3000, five
Yeah,
thousand
yeah,
data.
yeah, we can update. If it's mandatory, then we can update all the data.
Okay. If it's not mandatory, then we will give 2000
Yeah,
numbers
yeah,
as
because
default value.
yeah, some, if you'll see, you have the some website. Okay,
Hmm.
uh, wait. Suppose this, this is my website. Okay,
Okay.
Lululemon website. If you'll see the country is USA.
Hmm.
Okay, I can select the any country. Asia Pacific, Europe. Now I'm
Hmm.
selecting the Asia Pacific.
Yeah.
In Asia Pacific, I'm selecting the Australia, America, Hong Kong. Okay,
Hmm.
anything, any country I can select. Then after that, maybe it asks for the login. Okay.
Okay.
Once they'll start to asking for the login, sign up for your email address.
Mm,
Okay. Suppose I'm giving my email address.
mm,
Okay. Women's or men's. They are going to store in the particular country. See,
mm,
whatever the country we have selected on the top,
mm,
that country they are going to store that data into their all subscriber. Okay.
mm,
And it's stored. Suppose that maybe they need to render some login page here, and there maybe they will ask about your country and all these things. Whenever
mm,
you're putting your country, that time maybe they will ask for the some options are there for Asia and
mm,
Europe. You can select the Asia, then that data will be there stored in the Asia, and it's not going to store in the India and all these things.
mm.
Got it or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, this type of the use cases we will see later. Maybe it's okay. Login website. If we'll see the login, suppose I'm trying here to the login here, apply for talent. Okay,
Mm,
candidate login. I'm trying to here the candidate login, giving the first name, phone
mm.
number, email, password. It's not asking for the
Country or any.
salutation,
Mm,
Mr. or Miss, Mr. or Mrs. Otherwise, they are not asking about the country. Okay.
oh,
In future, they need to specify from the country also. Suppose someone is working in the India and they are from the another country, that type of the fields they are going to add. Okay.
mm,
Now they are currently storing in the marketing cloud full name, phone number, email, and password. That's it.
mm,
Okay. In future they need to require the add the another fields. Fifth field is the country. Okay. What they are going to do, they are going to update the current data extension. Okay, whatever the
mm,
data extension they have. Okay, they are updating the fields. They will create another fields, and that another fields have the default
mm.
value Asia or
Okay.
India, because if it's for the India, then they will give the default value India.
Mm,
Otherwise it for the Asia, this web page for the Asia, then they will give the default value for the Asia.
mm,
Whatever the previous value, full name, phone number, 2000 subscriber, they will the store Asia value only. Then after that we are going to update, because we are going to add here fields country, whatever the
mm.
fields they will select, that field data will be stored in the data extension according to
Oh,
user preferences.
mm. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So there are two ways. One is the first 2,000 members can be can have default value, and 3,000
Yeah, yeah,
members can have the exact country name.
yeah.
Another thing is we can
We can
update
update.
the whole 5,000 members with the exact data as well,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. That one we will see, because we will see once I start the sending mail, whatever the data we have, we will see the
Yeah.
about subscriber. Okay, we will send mail to update their preferences, update their
Mm,
country. Okay, that time we'll see how we are going to store.
yeah. And one more
Okay,
thing, the decimal value you said, no, you created. What happened then? Can you show me?
decimal value.
Yeah,
Decimal value. I will explain you. Now, once you'll start the automation and another
yeah,
thing,
okay, no
I will
problem. Yeah.
explain. Once you'll complete that one, na, list and data extension, then
Uh,
we will start about the drawbacks and all these things. What is the mandatory? What we can do in the data extension and what we can't do in the data extension.
yeah, sure, 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 sure.
Okay, because once you'll start the explaining from scratch all these things, it will takes time. It's correlated to each other. One by one, it will come.
Yeah, 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 no problem.
Okay. Yesterday we saw about the list. Okay, list. Now we are going to store the list. How to store the data inside the list. is same
Oh,
as the data extension process. Whatever we follow the process from the data
mhm.
extension, same process we are going to follow in the
Okay.
list also. Yesterday I added the subscriber in two ways. Individually, I told you yesterday. Do you remember this one, or I need to explain once again
Yeah.
how to add individual list?
Individually, we need to have a subscriber key, right?
Yeah,
To yeah. Can you show me once again? Like,
yeah. I will so go to subscriber, then go to the
list.
list. Okay, inside the list,
Mm,
suppose we can select any list. Now I'm going to expand from the plus button.
mm,
Maybe some folder name is there. Sarita list is there. Okay. In Sarita list, we have the created customer 13.
mm,
Okay. Suppose I'm going to add for the individual. Clicking on the create next button.
mm.
Okay. Subscriber key. I'm going to give sai@gmail.com. Okay. Subscriber key and all these things are same.
Mm,
I can give the first name
mm.
Sai. Gender we can give.
So these are related to my account details,
Yeah.
first name, last name.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then why it is asking again patient name, patient email address?
Actually, we can create the fields. That field is automatically created. Okay. Then we can give. Otherwise, we can also give the another field name. As per preferences, we can store.
Mm-hmm. A
Okay.
patient name, patient email address means I am the patient here. So again, why they are asking patient name and patient email address?
No, no, you are not patient here. You are doctor here.
Okay, okay,
Don't worry about this one. Okay. Just see that one.
hmm.
How we are storing individual subscriber in the list. Okay.
Okay.
That one I will tell
Ah,
how to create and how to store. Okay.
hmm,
Patient name, giving the okay patient email address. Next, we can select our list. Finish. This is the way to one by one individual subscriber we can add it to.
okay.
Okay, if you wanted to import that subscriber, first we'll see overview list. We can see here.
Hmm.
Maybe it will be update soon. List value should be two.
Hmm. It's not added, huh?
No, no, maybe it will take time.
Okay.
Oh, I think we added in the Sarita one.
Yeah.
Ajit list available customer 13 Sarita list customer 13 it's added. See,
Hmm.
Sai is added active. Okay,
Hmm.
if I want to import data in the bulk, okay, first what I will do whenever you are going to import export at any activity,
Hmm.
okay, no FTP flowing email address they will send. Okay, we can see dot csv file naming pattern. Here the comma separated value.
Hmm.
Any things if you want, XML, tab delimited, anything we can export. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I'm going to select the CSV. Okay. Then I'm going to send preferences, whatever you want. Okay. If you
Hmm.
want all, then you can select the all. Okay. If you don't want all, then what we can do? We can select the one by one. Subscriber,
Hmm.
then subscriber. One by one we can select, otherwise we can
Mm,
select the all
mm,
data, all fields I want in my Excel sheet. That's why I'm selected
mm.
all. Then I'm going to select the export, then finish. Wait for some time. They will deliver on the email address. It's taking time. Maybe refresh. Otherwise, we can use another one. Let's see. See, this one is our Excel sheet. Okay.
Mm.
I wanted to add some another subscriber. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add Vishal. Preferences we can give. Okay. Subscriber key. Subscriber key is the email address. That's why I'm going to give the subscriber key here,
Mm.
because we are directly making the subscriber. Date we can give.
Subscriber key is mandatory here or
Yeah, yeah. Subscriber key is mandatory because subscriber is related to subscriber key.
mm.
Active, bounce. Okay. Save. Now I'm going to import. Agree to obtain. It's starting to import it. Importing data finish. 1 minute. I'll wait. We can add our subscriber individually or using Excel sheet also. Okay.
Okay.
Once Excel sheet will be the complete, then we will receive the email. Our list is updated. Then after that we can check. Going to list. It's taking time. Okay.
Hmm.
Maybe it will take 4 or 5 minutes or immediately maybe update.
Okay.
Uh, you can do this one.
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay with this one? How to
Yeah.
export and
Yes. Yes.
that one I will add the some task here. Okay.
Hmm.
Import file. Copy. We can copy our data. We can export, delete or search. Okay. Import
Okay.
part is there. Okay. In import part, if you'll see, there is the whatever the extensions are there. First, go through the export. What we can do, export part, whatever the extensions are there. Okay, it will takes time if we'll start the creating the uh, format and creating that
Hmm.
format data. Okay, it will take to 1 hour 2 hours. What we can do, we will add the data individually. Okay, then after that we can export the in tab delimited and xml.
Hmm.
Okay, suppose I'm exporting in the xml. Once I'll send to our mail. Okay, back to here, I will give my email address.
Hmm.
Second one, attachment to email.
Hmm.
Whatever the email address you have, where you want, you can add that email address. Then you
Hmm.
can export. Then next, now I'm adding these fields. Export.
Hmm.
It will be export to my
Hmm.
email address.
Okay.
Maybe it's not coming. Maybe it takes time. Yeah, it's exported in XML format.
Hmm.
What I will do, I will download that file.
Hmm.
See,
Hmm. Hmm.
it's exported in the XML version.
Okay.
Now I am going to download. See,
Hmm.
I will tell about the little bit about XML, how to
Hmm.
read the data. Nothing to do. Okay. See, if you'll see the subscriber is started from the subscriber tag
Hmm.
and ended with the subscriber. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Suppose I need to add the another subscriber. What I will do? Email. Here I will change the email address.
Hmm.
Okay. kamal@gmail.com. Okay. Here I can give the name Kamal, last name K, male, gold, patient name Tom. Same thing. I'm adding for the same
Hmm.
date, unsubscribe. Okay. Now I'm going to save this one. Okay. I have added the another field.
Hmm.
Now I have the added. Okay.
Hmm.
Then what we can do, we can import that data also. Whatever we have the downloaded and saved. Click on the
Hmm.
next. Agree. In that way, we can try all formats. Whatever the formats we have.
Hmm.
Okay. Browse. Download. dot xml. And three features are there. We can do file upload progress.
Mm.
Okay, okay. Whatever. Same things we can apply for the upload XML also.
Mm.
I told you how to update. Just took the that one.
Mm.
Whatever we have, the tags are there. Only copy that tag. Once you're familiar with HTML, then I will tell what is the XML, how to edit. Okay.
Okay.
Just I'm going to open XML, opening on the website. See, we have the added three subscriber. Okay, using the subscriber field. And
Mm.
also I'll tell the how to validate the XML and all these things once you'll move the coding part.
Okay, okay, okay.
But for now, just only follow that process, how to
Mm.
upload and which type of the data we can upload.
Mm.
Okay, once you'll complete that one, okay, I'm not going to use more burden. Once you complete day two, I think you are familiar with day one, day two.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's clear na day two issue.
Yes, 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 yes.
Day two for now. I'm going to add the comments for your future reference. That one. Once you'll see the comments, then it will comes in mind. It's related to this one.
Okay.
Okay. Day three, basic information, data extension. Then whatever the fields we have, CSB tab
Mm.
space. Okay, whatever the delimiters we have, we need to add for the, or we need to use all delimiters. Okay,
Mm.
how to use that delimiters? If you don't have the that data extension Excel sheet, we can export that. After exporting, we can add some particular subscriber. Then after that, we can do.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we have the delimiter. Let me open. How much delimiters was there? And otherwise, you can also try the another delimiter that is working or not.
XML.
XML for the list. XML
Yeah.
we can't use here data extension. XML
Right.
only for the list. That one I will add the day 4 or 5 because tomorrow you need to practice Saturday, Sunday. It's the 3 days. You can reach
Mm.
there till the list.
Yeah.
Custom edit data, see, delete data, we know, review and import. Because it's not the only process. Because once you will familiar with the practical part, okay,
Mm.
then one by one, step by step, we will go ahead. Once I'll start the list and all these things, publication list, will stuck, and you will after 1 or 2 days you will forget about that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's why I'm not giving more burden. See the CSV format.
I need to work on retention policy and this CSV, comma separated values, and
Yeah, I will add retention policy. I will add whatever the task I'm adding there. Na, if anything is missing, then you can comment there below.
yeah,
Okay, non-sendable, sendable, testable, random D. I will tell to create the random D use cases. Okay, and create
and how to
from.
add a single record into D through contact builder, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Do you remember that one?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember.
Yeah. And try
I need
here,
to read.
whatever the fields is there, na, whatever the extension, all extension.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever the don't try only three things. Okay, whatever the we have the discuss CSB space. Okay, All these
mm,
thing add 5 or 6 extensions are there. And also you can search from the Google if another extensions are there, we can try
yeah,
that extension, export, then after that we will import. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, and try to add here, you can add it using edit button. Okay,
Mm,
whatever the extension you are using you can use there. Okay, you can add the extension whatever you
oh,
have the use, suppose CSB, tab, space,
mm,
okay, semicolon, anything you can add here.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, then after that you can update. Then once you'll update that one, see, it's updated. Day 2 you done, and
Mm.
day 3 and day 4 I will add the some
And day
delete.
two, I have one small doubt. Like overwrite option is there, no?
Yeah,
If we add a new data, new column, and all new field, when I click on overwriting the data, it is adding that new data as well.
overwriting, it's going to remove the existing data. Suppose that, see, this one is our data extension. Okay,
Mm,
13. Okay, customer 13. We have the 7 data. Okay,
mm,
and this one is our Excel sheet.
mm,
Not this one, customer. Yeah, this one is our Excel sheet. If we remove all data, na, whatever the data we have,
mm.
okay, suppose you are removing all. Now I'm creating another data extension for that. Suppose I'm
Just add one field, no?
okay.
Any other field, I'll show you the test case.
Oh, you are asking about the create the fields here.
Uh, One field, anything.
Okay. I'm going to add the
Gender.
language. Okay, gender.
Okay, anything.
Then going to save.
Gender and data also. You add data, MF and all, no?
Okay.
Male, female, like that. Okay. Now, uh, overwrite means like changing any data in this data extension, right?
Yeah. Whatever the records we are going to wipe that record and adding the new records.
Okay. Now you upload, no? Like I mean properties.
Okay. Now I'm going to
Prop.
import.
No need to import. First we
Okay.
need to create that property, right? Gender one.
Yeah, yeah. Gender. Okay. City is there. Country is
Mm,
there. Now I'm going to edit. Add. We have the added gender.
mm,
Okay. City, country, and gender.
mm,
Need to check that one. Amount, city, country, gender.
mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amount, city, country, gender. Okay.
Nullable. Oh,
Making the
okay.
nullable yes. Save field.
Okay. Now, if you upload it now, what is happening? It is adding the new data, but it is not wiping out.
Okay.
You see?
Record.
Okay.
Import.
Mm. No, 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 no. Not add
Okay.
and update. Overwrite.
Okay. Oh, sorry. We can wheel back. Okay.
Overwrite.
Wait.
Yeah.
Next.
Map country and all. No? Map it manually, no? Third
No.
option. Here down.
Amount, city, non-assigned, non-assigned, gender.
Actually, we can map here, no? Why it is
Yeah,
showing
yeah.
in?
We can map here the using Excel sheet, but maybe they have the some limitations are there. They have the set it. Okay,
Mhm.
that's why it's not showing. Wait,
Actually, it
I'm
should
going.
come in drop down, right?
Yeah, yeah. It should come the drop down, and then we can select our Excel sheet. What is
Mm,
asking? City and gender.
mm.
Maybe I need to check. City is there, country is there, gender is there.
Gender also is there.
Yeah, yeah. Its file name is the
Yeah,
C.
I'm trying in all the phases. That is why I'm facing all this
Yeah,
problem.
yeah. Okay, no, it's customer 13 dot csv.
Now it's done.
Yeah.
What is the error? Like initially it doesn't.
No, no. We need to map the fields. Without mapping the fields, it's not going to stop.
Previous also we mapped, no? No?
Yeah, maybe that Excel sheet was not
Hmm.
saved in proper way. That's why.
Records
Yeah, it's processing.
available. See, it's adding gender.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, you are asking about the why it's not wiping this data.
yeah, yeah, overwriting and all.
No, overwrite means what we are going to do. We are going to overwrite through our Excel sheet. Whatever data in our Excel sheet, if you will remove that data, na,
Mm,
it will comes the new data. It's not going to it's wipe immediately. It's wipe in the marketing cloud internally. Okay. Suppose that this one is our data extension. Okay.
mm,
This one is data extension.
mm.
Okay. And I'll start to come through here. Day one. Why not?
Sandy,
Yeah, yeah. Wait. I will tell. See, this one is our data extension.
Sandy, this is Kamal.
Okay, yeah,
Uh, Sandy, do you have the option to stop the recording?
yeah,
Okay, you can stop the recording, right?
yeah.
Okay, okay. So you people carry on. Okay.
No, no, it's not a stop session. Exist myself, a stop.
Yeah, cancel it, cancel.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So 1 second. Yeah, you can stop the recording.